Hello, my name is Juliana. I am 21 years old. I live in Bogotá. I was born in Machita, Cundinamarca. Course the career of psychology. I am part of the group on Unidad and 28. I will trade to Macheta in December. I will stay with my grandmother. I will take it to suitcases. I will take with me one family in Macheta. We do various activities and play, walk, swim, and rest. And we're very happy to go. And we don't carry a lot of money. And my grandparents help us a lot of fruit to carry home. And take water is ground. We always go at the end of 10 years to visit grandparents. It is important not to forget our lot on, and there is always gratitude that we visit them. Macheta is beautiful to there is lot of nature, and the neighbors take care of the others. It is 3 hours from Bogotá. Is very happy. Thank you.